Did you know that the sunlight reaching Earth in just 1 hour is enough to power the entire world for a whole year? That's an incredible amount of free, clean energy beaming down on us every single day. The real question is, are we making the most of it? This is where solar power comes in. It's silent, it's renewable, and it's available to everyone. That's why solar is quickly becoming one of the most important energy sources in the world. So, how do solar panels actually turn sunlight into the electricity that powers your home? Let me break it down for you in a really simple way. It's a 3-step process. First, sunlight hits the solar panels on your roof. Inside these panels are special photovoltaic cells that absorb the sunlight. Think of them like tiny energy sponges. Second, as these cells absorb sunlight, they generate electricity. But this electricity is in a form called DC, or direct current. Third, an amazing device called an inverter takes that DC electricity and converts it into a C, or alternating current. That's the type of electricity all your home appliances, from your TV to your fridge, use. And just like that, your home is running on clean power from the sun. But here's the best part. What happens if your solar system produces more electricity than you're using? Well, that extra power doesn't go to waste. It gets sent back to the main electricity grid. When this happens, your electricity meter can actually run backward, and you earn credits on your bill. So, instead of just paying for electricity every month, you can start saving money, day after day. It's a game changer. Now, let's talk about why understanding and adopting solar energy is so critically important right now. The first reason is something we all feel in our pockets: rising electricity prices. Your bill today is not what it will be tomorrow. Those rates just keep climbing year after year. But with the solar system, you essentially lock in your electricity costs for the next 25 years or more. That gives you incredible long-term financial protection and peace of mind. Second, the savings are massive. For many homeowners, a solar system can save lakhs of rupees over its lifetime. And it's not just for homes. Small businesses, shops, and offices can drastically reduce their operating costs, making their businesses more profitable and resilient. Think about what you could do with all that extra money. Third, the government is actively encouraging people to go solar. In India, for example, there are significant subsidies available for rooftop solar installations. This support makes solar more affordable and accessible than it has ever been before. The initial investment is lower, and your payback period is much shorter. There's never been a better time to make the switch. Solar gives you energy independence. We've all experienced frustrating power cuts and outages that disrupt our lives and work. With solar power, especially if you add a battery backup system, you become much more secure and self-reliant. Your lights stay on, your work continues, and your life isn't interrupted by grid failures. You are in control of your own power supply. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, solar energy is crucial for protecting our planet. A large portion of our electricity still comes from burning coal, which causes air pollution, releases harmful carbon emissions, and drives climate change. Solar power, on the other hand, is completely clean. It generates electricity with no smoke, no noise, and no harm to the environment. Choosing solar isn't just a smart financial investment. It's a responsible choice for a healthier planet and a better future for our children. Of course, with any new technology, there are a lot of questions and myths. Let's clear up some of the most common ones right now. Myth number 1. Solar panels don't work during the rainy season or on cloudy days. This is simply not true. While it's correct that peak production happens on bright, sunny days, solar panels are still effective on cloudy days. They are designed to capture diffused sunlight. Yes, the output might be slightly lower, but your system will absolutely continue to generate electricity, helping to reduce your bills all year round. Myth number 2. Solar is just too expensive. I hear this one a lot. The truth is, you should see solar not as a cost, but as an investment. And it's an investment with a fantastic return. Most residential solar systems pay for themselves in just 3 to 5 years. After that, you get to enjoy almost free electricity for the next 20 years or more. It's one of the smartest long-term financial decisions you can make. Myth number 3. Solar panels require a lot of difficult maintenance. Actually, they are incredibly low maintenance. They have no moving parts and are built to withstand harsh weather for decades. For the most part, the only maintenance needed is a simple cleaning a few times a year to wash off any dust or bird droppings. That's it. It's easier than maintaining a garden. And myth number 4. Installing solar means I have to go completely off-grid. This is another common misconception. The vast majority of residential solar systems are on-grid systems. This means you stay connected to your local electricity provider. You draw power from the grid when you need it, like at night, and you send excess power back to the grid during the day. You get the best of both worlds. Lower bills and the reliability of the grid as a backup. So you might be wondering, is solar right for me? Well, solar is a perfect solution for a wide range of properties. This includes independent houses, factories, schools, hospitals, shops, offices, and even the common areas of apartment buildings. A simple rule of thumb is this. If your monthly electricity bill is consistently above 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, you should be seriously considering rooftop solar. Why? Because the higher your current bill, the more you stand to save, and the faster your solar investment will pay for itself. The world is changing fast. Countries all over the globe are investing billions of dollars into renewable energy. And solar is at the forefront of this revolution. Very soon, having solar panels on your roof will be as common as having a mobile phone in your pocket. The people who adopt this technology early are the ones who will save the most, benefit the most, and stay ahead of the curve. So, this brings us to the final, most important question. Do you want to just sit back and watch the solar revolution happen around you? Or do you want to be a part of it? If you're interested in installing a solar system, or even if you're just curious and want to find out what size system would be right for your home, we're here to help. Visit Solartoall.com. We provide the tools and information you need to compare different types of solar equipment, connect with trusted and vetted installers in your area, understand all the government subsidy benefits, and make the absolute best decision for your energy future. Going solar doesn't have to be complicated. You just need the right guidance to light the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that can help you save money and save the planet. See you next time.